Recently, I stumbled upon videos showcasing on how you can earn $150 a day by simply typing words. There are so many websites that will actually pay you money whenever you type words correctly. This method is called transcribing. You can make money through transcription anywhere in the world, and you don't even have to put a lot of efforts into transcribing those words, because there are other websites that will help you in transcribing audios or videos. Once you get accepted by these websites and they give you work to do, you can simply download apps that will transcribe those audios for you, and all you have to do is just do some correction wherever you feel these apps might have miswrote. So after you get accepted by these websites and they gave you work, you're going to this app and website called otter.ai, and on this app they will transcribe audios for you. And not only that, they will also add timestamps, which are very important. And that is one of the first ways on how you can cheat code these transcription jobs. The second way on how you can freely transcribe the audios is through YouTube. So let's say after you used otter.ai and your free 30-minute of free audio transcription is up, you can simply go to YouTube, upload that audio or video, but list it in private so that no one else can see the audio or the video, and ask YouTube to transcribe it for you. And then you can simply download those subtitles with the timestamp. You can also easily correct some of the mistakes done by YouTube. After you have done all of that, simply click on the 3 buttons and download the subtitle. So those are the 2 main cheat codes on transcription jobs. So now let's talk about these websites that will pay you for transcribing audios and videos worldwide. The number 1 website is called transcribeme.com. TranscribeMe is a reputable platform renowned for offering transcription jobs. Transcription in general involves converting audio files into text format. This platform is known for its competitive rates, with transcriptionists earning between $15 to $22 per audio hour. Top performers on TranscribeMe can potentially earn up to $2,200 per month. The application process typically involves taking a transcription test to assess typing speed and accuracy. TranscribeMe provides opportunity for individuals worldwide to earn money from home through transcription work. The second website is called Scribie.com. Scribie is another platform that provides transcription jobs, offering a range of transcription rates from $5 to $25 per audio hour. One distinguishing feature of Scribie is that it has automated transcription tools, which assist you by converting speech to text. This tool streamlines the transcription process for you if you are someone who cannot type very fast. The last website is called castingwords.com. This is a beginner-friendly website, and it hires beginners that don't have any experience at all with the typing or transcribing. They pay low compared to the other 2 websites that I mentioned, but they are also totally beginner-friendly. Keep that in mind, and they are offering this opportunity worldwide. So those are the legit websites that will pay you for transcribing audios and videos worldwide, but you can go ahead and explore many other websites that are available and tell me about them. If you liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and send it to your family and friends. Also, give me a thumbs up.